At this brand new 2026 GMC AT4, and I'm going to coat the windshield with a ceramic hydrophobic solution to help keep the windshield clean, help the water repel off it. It keeps the windshield generally a lot cleaner. Bugs, ice, snow has a hard time sticking to it. So that's what we're going to do right now. I already tinted the front two windows. The 20% ceramic will match. Now I'm going to go ahead and get this windshield clean, prepped, so I can install the ceramic coating on the windshield. So I already sprayed the glass with my cleaning solution. I'm just going to put another coat over it quickly so we can start to scrub this windshield clean. So I just like to take a scrubby, scrub the glass. Get as much off the windshield as I possibly can. Being then this is a brand new truck, it's going to come out really nice. Windshield is brand new, perfect. So we don't have to deal with any chips or any crud on the windshield. So we'll do the other side now. Let's give it a quick spray. Just trying to get all this loose stuff off the glass. So this is the second time I scrub the windshield. I just want to make sure that it's clean. I'm going to go over it one more time. Squeegee all this off and it will be ready to be coated. Get this driver's side scrubbed. Be ready to go. All right. So now that the windshield's been cleaned, we'll go ahead and get some product on here so we can start the coating. Now, this coating is awesome because it basically seals the pores of the glass, just making it surface extremely slick. Water just beads right off. And you'll find that your windshield stays just cleaner overall. I have it on my vehicles as well, so. So we'll let that side dry. Now we'll get the driver's side done. All right, the product is fully applied. We'll just take a clean microfiber towel. We'll just polish the windshield. Now the product is wiped off. One thing I like to do is go ahead and wipe off the windshield wipers to make those clean when they'll be touching this new coated windshield. Wipe that one off. And I'm gonna just kind of demonstrate how this water will bead off this windshield. As you can see, it just literally just beads right off the glass. And that's what coating it does. Effortlessly, water just beads right down. And that's what you want. This windshield is coated. It will repel water, keep it clean. I tell my customers this should last for a considerably good amount of time. You know, there's days and days and days and weeks where you're just driving, you're not doing anything on the windshield, but give it 6 months. If you find that it's not beading up or repelling as much, bring it back and that'll get you through a definite year and you should be good to go. And this one got the fronts done to match the rears, so this one's wrapped up.